In today's video, we are going to explore the top 10 foods and herbs to help reverse fatty liver disease. Using a ranking scale, fair, good, very good, and best, based on nutritional profiles and specialized compounds. Also, unique recipes for each food will be available in the description below. Fatty liver disease, also known as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, is an increasingly common condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Unlike alcoholic liver disease, fatty liver disease is primarily driven by lifestyle factors, including poor diet, sedentary behavior, and obesity. The liver is a crucial organ for detoxification, metabolism, and overall health. And when it becomes infiltrated with fat, it can lead to a range of health problems. Let's get started with turmeric. Nutrition profile. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, steals the show with its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Essential vitamins such as C and E, along with potassium, add to its nutritional profile. Its special powers come from the incredible effect of curcumin, which helps to lower inflammation in the liver, stops fat from building up, and helps the liver work better. Moreover, turmeric's ability to stimulate bile production is crucial for efficient fat breakdown and detoxification. To incorporate turmeric into your diet, consider making a turmeric tea, adding it to curries, or taking a curcumin supplement. However, it's essential to consume turmeric with black pepper, as piperine, found in black pepper, increases the absorption of curcumin in the body. It receives our rating in the best category. Next up, dandelion root. Dandelion's root nutrition profile includes vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and potassium, flavonoids, polyphenols, and sesquiterpene lactones, which help to protect the body's tissue against cancers, diseases, and inflammation. Its unique capabilities are due to sesquiterpene lactones' ability to stimulate bile production, in addition to helping digestion and fat breakdown, and polyphenols that offer antioxidant benefits, reinforcing the liver's defense against oxidative stress. Dandelion root can be consumed as a tea, or its leaves can be added to salads. The roots can also be roasted and ground to make a coffee substitute. Dandelion supplements are available for those seeking a more concentrated form of this liver-protective herb. Dandelion root earns a ranking in the very good category by presenting a diverse nutritional profile. Next are walnuts. Walnuts' nutrition profile includes high in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, manganese, and copper. Good source of plant-based protein and dietary fiber. Its unique capabilities are its ability to reduce liver inflammation, lower oxidative stress, and improve cholesterol levels in individuals with fatty liver disease. Additionally, walnuts are an excellent source of fiber, which can aid in weight management and support overall liver health. To enjoy the benefits of walnuts, include them in your diet as a snack or add them to salads and oatmeal. Walnuts secure a fair ranking. While essential for liver health, the overall nutritional profile designates walnuts as a supportive rather than a leading component for fatty liver reversal. Next up, milk thistle. Milk thistle nutrition profile includes silymarin, the star compound which contains high antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Flavonoids like quercetin and taxifolin further enrich milk thistle's nutritional arsenal. Its unique capabilities are silymarin's ability to protect liver cells from damage and promote their regeneration. Studies have shown that milk thistle may help reduce liver fat and improve liver enzymes in individuals with fatty liver disease. Milk thistle supplements are widely available, and they are a convenient way to harness its benefits. Standardized milk thistle extracts are commonly available in the form of capsules or tablets. A typical dosage often ranges from 200 milligrams to 400 milligrams, 1 to 3 times daily. It's important to note that milk thistle may interact with certain medications. Therefore, anyone considering milk thistle supplementation should inform their healthcare provider. That being said, milk thistle earns its place in the best category. Its unique compounds make it a great ally in the battle against fatty liver. Moving on to artichoke. Artichoke's nutrition profile include rich in fiber, vitamins C and K, folate, magnesium, and potassium. Important plant chemicals in artichokes are cynarin and silymarin. Its unique capabilities are its compounds, cynarin and silymarin, which promote liver health by increasing bile production and supporting the liver's detoxification processes. Bile plays a crucial role in breaking down fats, making artichoke a valuable addition to the diet of someone with fatty liver. You can enjoy artichokes by steaming or grilling them and incorporating them into salads or as a side dish. Additionally, artichoke extract supplements are available for those looking to concentrate its liver-supporting benefits. Artichoke secures a very good ranking due to its essential nutrients and specialized compounds. Up next, beetroot. Beetroot nutrition profile. Include rich in betalains, antioxidants, folate, and manganese. Dietary nitrates that offer potential heart protective benefits. Its unique capabilities. In the context of fatty liver, beetroot can help lower oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the liver. It also supports the liver's natural detoxification processes by aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body. Betalains offer anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, crucial for fatty liver reversal. You can include beetroot in your diet by juicing it, roasting it, or adding it to salads. Beetroot supplements, in the form of capsules or powder, are also available as a convenient option. Beetroot earns a ranking in the good category due to its antioxidant-rich profile. Moving on to green tea. Green tea's nutrition profile. Include abundant in polyphenols, including EGCG, along with vitamin C and E, manganese, and zinc. What makes it special are the catechins in green tea, especially something called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG. These things act like superheroes with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory powers, which can help make the liver healthier by reducing fat and inflammation. Green tea also supports weight management, which is crucial for fatty liver reversal. To incorporate green tea into your diet, brew it as a beverage or use it as a base for smoothies. High-quality green tea supplements are available for those who prefer a more concentrated form. Green tea secures a ranking in the good category, primarily due to the multifaceted benefits of EGCG and its role in combating oxidative stress and supporting weight management. Next are cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables, nutrition profile. Include high in fiber, vitamin C and K, and minerals like folate and potassium. Glucosinolates, sulfur-containing compounds, are the key phytochemicals. Phytochemicals have antioxidant properties and offer protection that decreases the risk of many diseases. Its unique capabilities are vegetables such as broccoli, kale, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower being known for their cancer-fighting properties. Its unique compound encourages natural liver detox. Include cruciferous vegetables in your diet by steaming, roasting, or sautéing them. You can also blend them into smoothies for a nutritious and liver-friendly drink. Cruciferous vegetables claim a spot in the good category by virtue of their rich nutrient profile. Up next is garlic. Garlic's nutrition profile. Include rich in sulfur-containing compounds, flavonoids, and allicin. Contains vitamin C and B6 and minerals like manganese and selenium. Its unique compound is allicin, which exhibits potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help reduce liver inflammation and promote the elimination of toxins from the body. To reap the liver protective benefits of garlic, incorporate it into your meals as a seasoning or use it to make homemade garlic-infused oils. Fresh garlic is preferable to supplements as it provides a broader spectrum of beneficial compounds. Garlic secures a ranking in the fair category. The overall nutritional profile places garlic as a supportive rather than a leading contender in the fatty liver reversal journey. Nearing the end, we have fatty fish. Fatty fish nutrition profile. Include abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, high-quality protein, vitamin D, and selenium. Its unique capabilities are fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are crucial for reducing liver inflammation. Omega-3s also support insulin sensitivity, which is vital for managing fatty liver disease, as insulin resistance is often a contributing factor. Incorporate fatty fish into your diet by grilling, baking, or broiling them. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to maximize their benefits. Fatty fish earns a ranking in the fair category due to its prominent omega-3 content. While crucial for mitigating inflammation, the overall nutritional focus on fatty acids places it as a supportive element in fatty liver reversal. Now, if you enjoyed the video or learned a little something, please subscribe because there are plenty more useful videos on the way. Let me know down in the comments what foods you think should be ranked next, and don't forget to download the recipe guide for foods discussed in this video. Please remember to do your own research and advocate for your health because no one is more invested in your well-being other than you.